Hey YouTube, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Monopoly Go so that you can get unlimited dice rolls. Let's go. So I know you might be skeptical, like does this actually work? Let me go ahead and show you that it does. I'm going to go ahead and go onto my Monopoly Go app, click on this mod menu. As you can see, I only have 14 dice rolls right now. Let me go ahead and add some more to that. Now I'm all the way up to 964 and I'm ready to go on Monopoly Go. How do you do this, you might ask? Okay, so first we're gonna go ahead and check some settings on our phone just to make sure everything's good. So right now I am on an iPhone, so I'm gonna check in general settings, about, make sure that my iOS is up to at least 11. I'm at 16.6, so I'm good to go for that. Android users, you don't need to worry about that option. I just wanted to show iPhone. Next, we're gonna go ahead and turn off low power mode. And we're gonna go back to general and then turn on background app refresh. So right now mine is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. You can have this just on Wi-Fi if you like, but make sure those are on and we are all set to go. Now I'm going to show you how to go ahead and download the app. I know I already have it, but I'm just going to walk you through the process because it is a little different. So I'm going to go on to my internet provider. I use Safari. And we're going to be typing in ulu help.co, just like that. Go ahead and press go. It's going to take you on to this site, which is a really great site. And this is where I'm going to go ahead and get that Monopoly Go modded version. So I'm going to click on that. Here we go. And then there's this big green download button on the bottom. Go ahead and click on that. Now we're just going to have to be patient for a second while this guy loads. It does take a minute, but it's totally normal. All right, just about halfway there. Oops. Almost to our free dice rolls. Awesome. This pop-up is going to come up. Do you want to allow this? Yes, we do want to allow that. And now it says this profile has been downloaded. Great. So we're done with Safari now. We're going to go back into settings. And this new option is going to be here, this profile downloaded. Go ahead and click on that and it's going to already populate Monopoly Go mod. I click install up at the top. I'm going to enter my passcode. Okay, it's going to say it's ready for installation. Wonderful. Say next, or install, pardon me. Install it again on the bottom. And we are good to go. So now you have the Monopoly Go modded, which will be right there again on your phone. Thank y'all so much, and I hope you have as much fun with Monopoly Go and the free dice rolls as I do. Thanks. Bye.